Good morning, all of you. So let's start from the same place where we left off yesterday. We were in exercise 7.5 and question number 6. There are two pillars of the same shape and size in the gate of house. The pillar is cuboid from the dimension 1 feet, 1 feet into 6 feet, and pyramid of height 1 feet is kept on the above of each pillar. Find the total cost for tile to put in the pillars at the rate of rupees 52 per square feet. About figure of it we discussed yesterday also. There are two pillars whose base is cuboid and topmost part is pyramid, and length of base is 1 feet, height of cuboid is 6 feet, and there is height another pyramid whose height is 1 feet. These things are given, and to find out total cost to put on tiles on these two pillars, at first we have to find out surface area of one pillar, and that is multiplied by 2. Surface area of pillar means lateral surface area of pyramid plus area of four walls of cuboid. Cuboid को 4 walls को area 1 into 6 त्यसको 4 वटा रेक्टेंगलहरु छ 1 into 6 4 LH and similarly 2 AL for the pyramid, and that whole value is multiplied by 2. As we discussed yesterday, for cuboid length is 1 feet, breadth is 1 feet, height is also 1 feet, and for pyramid length of base, this is A, which is 1 feet, which is denoted by L and B here. यता बेस को लागि 1 डिनोट गरेको थियो, माथि पिरामिड को बेस पनि त्यही भयो 1 feet, and height is 1 feet. So to find out slant height, from here we have to calculate the slant height. यो यहाँ हुन्छ slant height, यो find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. For this one we have to use Pythagoras theorem, that is L square is equal to H square plus A by 2 square. यहाँनिर जुन यो right angled triangle बन्छ inside the pyramid, pyramid भित्र बन्ने right angled triangle को लागि हामीले Pythagoras theorem use गर्नु पर्यो. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is slant height, perpendicular is height, and base is half of the base of pyramid. Pyramid को base A छ भने यो A by 2 हुने भयो. So that we have to use here. We have here slant height of it is denoted by L1 because L is already used. L यहाँ फिगर में यो base cuboid को base denote गर्नको लागि L use भइसकेको हुनाले we used L1 here is equal to height of it, we denoted it by H1 because height of cuboid is H. H1 square plus A by 2 square. If we will put value of H1 as well as A, 1 square plus 1 by 2 square, it is 1 square 1 by 2 square means 0.5 square, and it will be 1.25. So what will be the value of L1 if L1 square is equal to 1.25? We have to find out square root of 1.25.
1.11.
Okay, 1.11 you have to say, not 11. Okay,
1.1180.
118. Okay, we are in grade 10. At least try to pronounce properly. Decimal पछि जहिले पनि एउटा एउटा digit गरेर मात्रै pronounce गर्न मिल्छ. That is the rule. We can't pronounce 11. We have to pronounce 11. So L is equal to 1.118 feet because others are also given in feet. If we know L1, now to find out area of two pillars, area of one pillar is area of lateral surface area of pyramid plus area of four walls of cuboid, and it is multiplied by 2. And put all the values which we have here. हामीसँग L, B, H, H1 as well as L1 and A, these all values we have. यो भ्यालुहरु हामीले यहाँ सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नुपर्ने हो. So if we'll substitute the values, 2 into value of A is 1, L1 is 1.118, 4 LS, 4 into 1 into H, height of cuboid is 6 feet. Multiply these values, 2 into 1 into 1.118,
2.236 plus 24.
2.236. Similarly, 4 into 1 into 6, 4, 6,
24.
okay, it will be 2 times 2.236 plus 24, and add these two, 24 plus 2.236,
26.236.
36, and multiply that with 2 now,
52.472 centimeters square.
2.472 square feet. This is the area of 2 pillars which can be observed from outside. बाहिरबाट देखिने surface area where we have to put the tiles. Tile चाहिँ लगाउने हो, यो surface area जुन हामीले calculate गर्यौं. And in question it is given that rate of paving tiles or rate of putting tiles is rupees 52 per square feet. हरेक square feet को rupees 52 पर्छ भनेको छ. So for it, if area as well as the rates are given, we can find out the cost. That means A into R, area into rate. Area is 52.472 and rate is 52. So total after multiplying, we get 2728.544. Okay, then let's look at the remaining questions of same exercise. Exercise 7.5. Question number 1A we did yesterday. Question number 1B. The internal dimension of water tank is 2.5 meter long, 2.5 meter broad, and 2 meter high. Find the total cost of water if the tank is filled at ₹2 per liter. Tank को length, breadth, height दिएको छ. Then can we find out the volume?
Yes, sir.
Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, 2.5 into 2.5 into 2, and it is equal to 12.5 cubic meter. So cost of filling water is ₹2 per liter. यो cubic meter लाई हामीले liter मा convert गर्नु पर्यो. 12.5 into 1000. If we multiply it by 1000, it is converted into liters now.
12,500.
Okay, it is equal to, so it is 12,500 liters, and cost of 1 liter is ₹2. So multiply it by 2 to find out the cost of filling water. Cost is equal to 12,500 into
2.
2. What is its value?
25,000.
25,000. To fill that tank, we need ₹25,000. In this way, we have to complete question number 1B. Similarly, question number 2A. A man bought cylindrical water tank of height 2.5 meter, radius of base 0.5. For cylindrical tank, height is given as well as radius is also given. Radius ra height दिएको छ भने, and one another thing is also given, with upper part as hemisphere. You may understand the meaning of it. एउटा cylindrical water tank छ, and its uppermost part is hemispherical in shape. यसको माथि hemispherical shape पनि छ. Its uppermost part is hemispherical. Just try to understand from it, from this rough figure. And question is, how much money did the man pay for the tank at the rate of ₹2 per liter? यो ट्याङ्की को कति पैसा तिर्नु पर्ला जबकि 1 लिटर को कति तिर्नु पर्छ? ₹2. So we have to find out volume of this water tank, which is made up of one cylinder and one hemisphere. Hemisphere को volume के हुन्छ? 2/3 pi r cube, and volume of cylinder
Pi r square.
pi आर स्क्वायर एच दुईटै भ्यालुहरुलाई एड गर्नु पर्यो एड दिस टु भ्यालुज एन्ड फाइन्ड आउट द टोटल भोल्युम एन्ड मल्टिप्लाई कन्भर्ट दैट इन्टु लिटर्स फर्स्टमा यिनीहरुलाई यो भ्यालुहरु फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्यो भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गरेर एड गर्नु पर्यो देन convert it into liters by multiplying that by 1000 because these are also given in meters meter cube ma आउँछ volume and multiply that by 1000 to convert into liter liter मा convert गरिसकेपछि rupees 2 ले multiply गर्नु पर्छ question number 2b the internal diameter of a cylindrical water tank is 2 meter and it is 3.5 meter high if diameter is given radius is half of it that is 1 meter if diameter is 2 radius will be 1 meter height is 3.5 meter how many liters of water does it hold when it is full just we have to calculate its volume only यसको volume मात्रै हो निकाल्नु पर्ने pi r square h that is the formula just simple formula we have to use pi r square h where radius is not given but diameter is given diameter दिएको छ भने फर्स्टमा radius निकाल्नु पर्यो radius is equal to diameter divided by 2 and then use this formula to find out the volume and convert that volume into liter
Liters.
and again the question is what is the cost of water if price of 1 liter water is rupees 3 1 liter water को 3 rupees पर्छ भने total cost कति पर्ला भनेको भोल्युमलाई लिटरमा कन्भर्ट गरिसकेपछि त्यसपछि त्यसलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने मात्रै हो now 3 number we already did yesterday question number 4 a cylindrical water tank of height 1.5 meter and diameter 1.4 meter height is given diameter is given that means we have to find out radius from here diameter is 1.4 means radius will be 0.7 meter half of 1.4 and surmounted by cone of height 0.36 meter त्यो सिलिन्ड्रिकल ट्याङ्क को माथिपट्टि कोनिकल शेप छ भनेको छ अघि जस्तो हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप थियो अब यो सिलिन्डर को माथिपट्टि कस्तो शेप छ त देयर इज कोनिकल शेप दिस इज सिलिन्डर एट फर्स्ट and there is cone at top of it यसको टुप्पोमा माथिपट्टि कोन फिट गरेको छ and height of cone is given height of cone is 0.36 meter इसको height 0.36 meter था भनेको छ height of tank is also so this cylindrical part is also given this is 1.5 meter and diameter of base is 1.4 meter we have to find out capacity of tank in meter that means we have to find out volume of this tank volume of tank means volume of cone plus volume of cylinder we did similar question in previous exercise also combined solid मा गरेका थियौ तर त्यहाँ लिटर मा कन्भर्ट गर्न भनेको थिएन here it is said to calculate into liters so we have to multiply meter cube by 1000 meter cube लाई 1000 मा 1000 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरिदियो भने लिटर मा कन्भर्ट भइहाल्छ if height of cone is given its volume is 1/3 pi r square h1 and if height of cylinder is also given its volume is pi r square h2 if we denoted heights by h1 and h2 and add both to get total volume and multiply that by 1000 to get capacity into liters next 5 number a ring of diameter 3.5 feet and height 1 feet is made from the cement and concrete a well is made from such 32 rings find the cost of constructing the well at the rate of rupees 1200 per ring and if the water level is in the well up to 18 rings find the volume of water in the well as like there are some rings to throw the waste in our school road को छेउछाउमा सिमेन्ट का रिङहरु छन् नि or you forget the school
No, sir, not that dustbin.
डस्टबिन डस्टहरु फाल्नको लागि त्यहाँ रिङहरु छन् हो त्यस्तै रिङहरु भनेको this is one ring think that this one is one ring एंड इसको डायमीटर कति छ भने छ त इट्स डायमीटर इज 3.5 feet. This is given. Then what will be the radius?
1.75 feet.
Radius divided by 2, 3.5 divided by 2, and it is equal to 1.75 feet. This is the radius of this one ring. And how many rings are used there?
32 rings.
32 rings. And height of one ring is
1 feet.
इसको height दिएको छ, that is 1 feet. If 32 rings are given, what is the height of well? So इनारको height कति हुने बता?
32 feet.
32 feet, isn't it? And question is find the cost of constructing well at the rate of 1200 per ring. So there is no problem. We don't have to calculate anything. Just 32 rings are there, and cost of one ring is 1200. That means total cost is equal to
32 into 1200. That is
cost
38.
is equal to 32 into 1200, because there are total 32 rings and cost of one ring is 1200. Total 32 वटा रिङहरु छन्, एउटाको 1200 पर्छ भने it will be total multiply this
3,84,000.
3,84,000 exact.
Yes. Yes.
This
sir.
is the total cost of constructing the well. Now next part of question, if the water level is in the well is up to 18 rings, of total 32 rings सम्म water level छैन, it is there up to 18 rings only. Height of one ring is 1 feet. That means height of 18 rings. 18 rings हरुको height कति हुने भयो त? That will be 18 feet. Height of 18 rings is 18 feet. And radius we have already calculated. एकछिन अगाडि हामीले radius भनिसकेका छौं. Radius is equal to 1.75 feet भनेको छौं. यो height भयो यसको 18 feet. Its radius we have calculated, and that is equal to 1.75. This one. If we know the radius as well as height, we can find out the volume of water. This is the height of water. 18 feet is the height of water. So what is the volume of water? Volume of cylinder?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Yes. Pi r square. Pi 22/7. R square means 1.75 square, and H means 18 feet. From that we will get the volume of water in the well. So all questions from this exercise are also completed. Which number was the last question? Are you observing the model question?
Yes, sir.
This is the model question made by government in 2075. Now it is 78. So you can look at the question which we have learned. If the initial population of any place is P0, annual rate of population growth is R%, then what is the population of that place after T years? So we have to write this formula of population after T year. Pt is equal to P0 times 1 plus R by 100 power T. Okay, just we have to write formula here. Similarly, next question number B. Write the area of isosceles triangle having length of equal sides Q centimeter and third side R. So actually, while learning about formula, we learned formula by taking equal sides A and the third side B. Equal side A ले denote गरेका थियौं र third side लाई B ले, base B ले denote गरेका थियौं. Here we have to denote the equal sides by Q and third side by R. That means in place of B by 4, there will be R by 4, and then root over 4a square minus b square means 4a square. That is 4 into q square. 4a square minus b square means r square. This will be the formula to find out area of isosceles triangle in which equal sides are Q and third side is R. Just in same formula, we have to replace B by R. Base जुन भ्यालु थियो थर्ड साइड त्यसलाई R ले रिप्लेस गर्नु पर्यो र where there was Q, Q भएको ठाउँमा सरी A भएको ठाउँमा Q ले रिप्लेस गर्नु पर्यो in place of equal sign. And this is related to indices. You have already learned in previous classes also.
1
1.
the
This is
value.
equal to 1. We haven't learned this
Quartile
one,
first.
but you know about it.
First quarter.
Yes.
Write
First
the name of quartile which divides the continuous data below 25%. That is
Quartile
first
first.
quartile.
You were-
Next, it is remaining to learn. Write down the relation between area of square and triangle. Group B. What is the price of article costing 3,000 after levying 13% value added tax? Just there is the price given and VAT. So we have to add VAT on it. We have to say this one is SP. SP is 3,000 and VAT percent is 13%. So we have to find out SP with VAT. SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP, isn't it?
Yes.
3,000 plus 13% of 3,000, and you will get the value easily. And second question, this 4B is related to depreciation. The present price of house is rupees 20 lakh, and after how many years the price will be 14,58,000 if its price reduced by 10% per annum. Initial price is given, final price is also given, rate, decreasing rate or depreciation rate is also given. We have to find out the time. After how many years means we have to find out the time. And you know the formula, price after T year. Price after T year is equal to
P times 1 minus R by 100 power of T.
1 minus R by 100 power T. अब त्यसमा
Yes.
फाइनल प्राइस PT को ठाउँमा यो राख्नु पर्यो 14,58,000 is equal to 20 lakh times 1 minus 10 by 100 power T, and from that easily you will get value of T. And in 5A it is said to find out area of triangle. What type of triangle is this?
Scalene.
Scalene.
It is scalene triangle. So for this triangle we
Have
have
to
to
find
use
semi-perimeter.
scalene
Root
triangle.
over S
S times
S minus A,
S minus A times S minus
A.
B.
S minus B, S minus C.
S minus B and S minus C,
C.
and before
C.
this we have to find out semi-perimeter.
Semi-perimeter.
S is equal to A plus
A plus
B
B plus C
C
by
by
2.
2.
divided by 2.
Two.
And here 5B is related to hemisphere. If the volume of hemisphere is 144 pi cubic centimeter, find its radius. Volume is given and it is said to find out the radius. We have formula of volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi
By
r
3
cube.
pi r cube.
Easily we will get value of r here.
R.
कसरी आउँछ त यो 144 पाई लाई नै केसँग इक्वेट गर्ने हो 2 by 3 pi r cube, because it is volume. Pi cancelled from both sides, then it will be 144
Into 3 by
into
2. 3 by
3
2.
by 2. Take it to this side is equal to r cube.
70.
So what it will be? 144 into 3 divided by 2,
216.
16. Then what will be the value of r? Cube root of
6.
216. 216 को cube root find out गर्नु पर्यो.
That's 6.
6.
It is 6. The radius is 6 centimeter, and same thing is asked us. They find out गर्न भनेको छ, find its radius.
So this question is of 2 marks, na?
These are of 2 marks. Here in adjoining figure, area of rectangular surfaces of prism is 720 square centimeter. X dash is 20 centimeter. XY is to XZ is to YZ is equal to 5:3:4. Find the length of XY. XY को लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना भनेको छ. So here this is the height. 20 means height.
Yes.
Height of prism is 20. And given thing is area of rectangular surfaces. Area of rectangular surfaces is equal to perimeter into height. That means area is given to us 720 is equal to perimeter is not given, but height is given. Height is 20. So
20.
from it, what is the value of P from it?
36.
P is equal to 36.
Is equal to 36. And we have to say let the sides be 5x, 3x and 4x.
Yes, and 4x.
Sides
And
are
4x.
5x, 3x, 4x because their ratio is 5:3:4. So if sides are 5x, 3x and 4x, sides are 5x, 3x र 4x छन् भने तिनीहरुकै सम भनेको
Perimeter.
perimeter हो 5x
Yes, sir.
plus
P is equal to 36.
4x
4x.
is equal to 36.
36.
From it you will easily get value of x. X is equal to 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8, 4, 12x is equal
36
to 36.
भागा
Then
36.
x is equal to
3.
x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, it is said to find out length of xy. xy भनेको कुन हो त 5x.
5x, yes, sir.
Check here, xy is to xz is to yz. xy is 5x, xz is 3x, yz is 4x. So 5x means 5 into 3, 15 centimeter. In this way, we have to calculate length of xy here in question number 5C. Questions next, these all are remaining. 9A. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, AC is equal to 8 centimeter. If triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is 12 root 3 square centimeter, find the value of angle BAC. Here a triangle is given in which two sides are given to us. If one side is, this vertex is A, another is B, third vertex is C. Length of sides, look at the length of side once. Length of sides are AB 6, AC 8. AB and AC are given. AB is 6, AC
8.
8 centimeter, and area
12 root 3.
12 root 3. Area is 12 root 3. If area is given, what is the formula to find out area?
1 by 2 P into x.
1 by 2, product of two sides, isn't it? 6 into 8
Sine.
into sine, which angle? Angle A,
A. Angle is.
or we can say BAC, angle BAC. Area is 12 root 3
Yes.
is equal to, this is cancelled, 2 3 are 6, 8 3 are
24.
24 is equal to sine angle A. So from it easily you will get value of A.